Check. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to thank sir for inviting me to come to this magnificent central hall of the auditorium to share my views. I start. सरकार कुछ इस तरह जनता पर एहसान करती है, पहले आंखें छीन लेती है, फिर चश्मे दान करती है. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, but unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, where a cigarette which can kill you is sold openly, but when a girl has to buy a certificate, she has to hide them in a black polythene. Today, I live in a nation, it has been 78 years since the white man left this nation, but we are still living in an inferiority complex, using fairness creams to whiten our skin, whiten our education, whiten our standard of life. In this era of globalization, we need to understand as a young pupil that I can wear American shirt, a polished shoes and German watch. But my identity is going to be decided by their education structure, and I being part of has to stay Indian, ladies and gentlemen. And and I stand here to share my views about their youth and yuva, and in this yuva and youth is 25 years old in nowadays, with 90% malnourished, 33% unemployed, and 55% misled by the education structure, and 100% are delusion of misled by the what's going on in India. And this is the harsh reality of our society and social media. And millions, you would say the millions of Indians see the weddings of millionaires and Ambanis rather than the buy in the same city the millions of slaves without our food. And getting and creating with their slums into a G20 posters are covering, and ladies and gentlemen, Rahul Gandhi or Narendra Modi will not decide the future of India. It's you 1.45 billion Indians with the blood of Rajguru, Sukhdev and Bhagat Singh, with the constitution of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And you are the youth, have the choice to stand a mastic to burn out the whole country, and you have the choice to light up the candle to create a new civilization, and its power is in your hand. And this is the white sheet of paper. They represent the future of India. And this is the pen. He represents the youth of the India, and I have the pen, and you also the pen to create a new civilization, new ideas, new constitution have written in this paper, white paper. And last thing, and one positive note is that AI will replace you, I know. But how can you create a new thing is up to you. Thank you.